Øk tsørt sum tı saas gav kolye. Øk tsørt sum tı saas gav kolye. One man cut the barrage and 1,000 people fell into the river. This proverb is used to signify that a single person's mistake can impact a lot of people. Øk tsond dunya te bey øk yiman. Dunya te yiman chune donvay athi yiman. Øk tsond dunya te bey øk iman. Dunya te iman chune donvay athi yiman. One man sought the world and another sought for faith. The world and faith both do not go hand in hand. Öksund kasyanı te beysund gıza. Öksund kasyanı te beysund gıza. One person's vomit is another's food, which means someone lives on the leftovers of other people. Öksun dazan ab te beysunne dazan til. Öksund dazan ab te beysunne dazan til, which means one man can burn water whereas another one cannot even burn oil. This proverb is used in Kashmiri to signify that it is all a matter of luck. Akis dazan dër te byak chus vishnavan ath. Akis dazan dër te byak chus vishnavan ath. It means one man's beard is on fire and another man warms his hands on it. This proverb is used to signify that one person is trying to take advantage of someone's bad fortune. Thank you for watching. Do like this video, comment on it, and share it with your friends. And finally, subscribe to our channel